How to fix an iPhone that keeps shutting off. Whether or not we'd like them to speak, entertain us, or simply be certain we get up on time every morning, we depend on our iPhones to work appropriately on a regular basis. So an iPhone that retains shutting off for no apparent cause is an issue. What causes an iPhone to hold shutting down? There are a variety of issues that might trigger this drawback, together with defective apps and water injury. However, within the overwhelming majority of the instances, the issue is the battery. There are just a few methods to inform for certain that the battery is the issue. The battery well-being characteristic constructed into the iOS, in case your iPhone shuts down at 30% battery, and a software supplied by Apple. Methods to repair an iPhone that retains shutting down. Earlier than you go down the battery replacement route, there are some simple software program steps you'll be able to take to attempt to repair an iPhone that retains shutting off. Arduous reset your iPhone. Once you're having issues like your iPhone randomly shutting off, the primary and best step to fixing it's normally restarting the phone. On this case, although, you have to use a particular form of restart, known as a tough reset. A tough reset is completely different from an ordinary restart as a result of it extra deeply resets the working system and reminiscence on the telephone. However, don't fret, you will not lose any information. If the reason for the restarts is an app with a flaw that causes it to empty the battery sooner than it ought to, this could clear the issue. Replace iOS. In some instances of the iPhone randomly shutting off, the issue is within the working system. If the laborious reset did not work and also you're operating a model of the iOS sooner than 11.2, it's best to replace to the newest model of the working system. Test your battery well-being. Battery well-being supplies two key items of knowledge: the utmost charging capability of your battery and the way your battery's power is affecting your telephone's efficiency. The battery well-being part will even let you know in case your battery is at a degree the place it must be changed. To view your telephone's battery well-being, faucet settings greater than battery well-being. In case your most capability may be very low, that could be an indication of an issue with the battery. In case you see something apart from peak efficiency functionality, that could be an indication your battery has points. Restore iPhone from backup utilizing DFU. In case your iPhone continues to be shutting down unexpectedly, you are going to have to strive a DFU restore of your iPhone. DFU, to do that, join your iPhone to the PC through USB, then, in iTunes, make a backup of your iPhone. With that performed, put your iPhone into DFU mode, then restore your iPhone from the backup you made. Contact Apple for a battery alternative. If not one of the different belongings you've tried thus far have solved the issue, that could be as a result of the issue is along with your iPhone's hardware, not software program. It may very well be that the battery in your iPhone is flawed or on the finish of its life.